Hello, little friends. I'm Eli the Elephant, and today we're going on a magical rainbow quest. Have you ever...
What happens when a rainbow loses its colors? Watch and find out. Let's learn colors together. Ready?
One sunny day, Eli was playing in the enchanted forest. Suddenly, the beautiful rainbow in the sky started to fade.
Oh no! The rainbow has lost its colors! Red, orange, yellow, they're all gone!
Eli's friends, a blue bird, a green frog, and a purple bunny, came running.
We need to fix it! They cried.
How? Eli thought hard. Let's go on a quest to find the missing colors. What color is the bird, kids? That's right, blue. Wow, this game board looks amazing!
I know, I can't wait to play.
Let's start our adventure! Yeah, this is going to be so much fun! Okay, everyone ready? Let's go! First, they went to the apple orchard. This way, everyone!
Wow, it's so pretty. Look at the apples. They glow.
Let's get a closer look.
Look, red apples, said Eli. They picked a shiny red apple and poof! The red color flew back to the rainbow.
Yay, red is back.
Next to the sunset beach, orange waves and sun.
Hurry, friends, we're almost there!
The orange color sparkled and returned. Great job, team! What shape is the apple from before, friends? Round! And the sun? Also round. Wow, look! The waves are magic!
They're turning into circles!
So round! Let's clap!
Yay, everything's round!
Clap, 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 clap.
Onto the sunflower field! Yellow flowers everywhere!
They danced among them, and yellow zoomed to the rainbow. Can you name a yellow thing at home?
Like a banana! We're halfway, friends!
La la la, what a day!
Hop, hop, feeling grand.
Swing my trunk, join the band.
Tweet, tweet, fly so high. Under the sky, la la forever we.
Green was hiding in a leaf. Found found it! Finally, the blue ocean. Blue water and fish.
But a wave splashed, and Blue was saved.
Into the Indigo Cave. Wow, look at these glowing crystals.
Toy-free.
An adventure.
Ooh, a little scary but brave.
I'll light it up. Say Indigo with us.
We found Indigo!
Last stop, the Violet Garden.
Wow, look at all the flowers! Watch Indigo and Violet mix!
Wow, look at all these flowers.
So, let's go explore, friends.
Yay, adventure. Whee, flying. This is the best day. Crow, look up there.
Wow, a violet tornado!
It's changing.
Violet is back into a beautiful rainbow.
Tweet, it glows.
We did it! All colors are back! The rainbow shone brighter than ever.
Friendship makes everything colorful.
What would you do with a magic rainbow, kids? Tell us in the comments.
Bouquet.
Eli and friends celebrated. Remember the colors. Red like apples.
Red like this apple. Wow.
Orange like sunsets. Yellow like sunflowers.
Green like leaves.
Blue like oceans. Indigo like gems. Violet like flowers. What was your favorite color today? Thanks for joining Eli's Quest. Subscribe for more adventures, like and comment your favorite color below.
See you next time. Toot toot. Toot toot.